everybody, Scott here with the Flamethrower Grill. And you know what? I'm going to tell you something. I am never, ever frying eggs again. I'm just sick of it. And here's why. Let me show you. So let's go ahead and throw an egg on here. Okay, we're going to fry it up. We're going to do this sunny side up. Get a little salt and pepper on there. Let's get it going. Let's see how this goes. There you see it, it's frying. Okay, bubbling up nicely. It's almost done. And here we go, on the plate. Let's see what we got. That yolk looks amazing. Lots of yolk for the toast. But look at this. Look at this egg. The top. Totally runny. So how do you get rid of that? You know, a friend of mine runs a restaurant. It's a breakfast restaurant, and they put their sunny side up in the oven for a second or two. Well, I'm not turning my oven on to do that. Garbage. That's where this is going. I'm not eating it. Gonna get sick. All right, so what do? Next best thing. All right, over easy. Okay, frying nicely. Let's get it over and flip it over. Got it. Let's get that top cooked so we have we don't have any runny tops. There we go. Sunny side up is the way I like the yolks, but too runny. So we'll do the over easy. Now let's see what we got here. And there you go. The yolk is hard. No yolk for my toast. All right, guess where this is going, folks? I bet you can guess. Yep. So there you have it, folks. I am never frying these eggs again. No sunny side up, no over easy. What I am going to do, though, because I love an egg and I like to dunk the toast into the yolk and just have it like dripping off the bread, right? So what I'm going to do from now on is baste all my eggs. So check this out. I'll show you how to do it. Only takes a minute. It's so super simple. Egg is not runny at all, but the yolks are soft. And there's tons of yolk in them for dunking that bread. Check it out. All right, now just like frying an egg, over easy or sunny side up, same prep. Throw some butter in there, non-stick pan. Get a couple eggs in there. I will say this though, you don't want to put too many eggs in at once. I can do it with 2. That seems to be the perfect number. 1, 2 eggs. You start getting 3, I can still handle it. You get 4, it doesn't work out as well. So I like to do them 2 at a time. Anyway, salt and pepper to taste, whatever. But here's the difference right here, folks. I've got a lid, and I got a little water in it. I'm going to pour the water in the pan. Okay? The steam is going to baste the top of the egg so it's done properly. All right? Now what I did, if you see, I pulled the yolk section of the egg slightly off the heat. Okay? So if you have a gas or electric stove, you can pull the pan to the side so the yolk is not over the top of the flames or the coils, and let that water boil. Now as you look here, I'll zoom in a second here. You can see the water boiling. All right, so, well there's the eggs, right? Okay, you can see they're starting to become opaque. Yeah, they're starting to turn white a little bit, but here's the water. That's it's boiling and it's steaming the tops of those eggs. The bottoms are cooking as well. Now you want to keep an eye on these eggs, and if you have a glass lid, you're better off. But it only takes about a minute, and this is real time. I didn't slow this down. You can see they're turning opaque, and guess what? They are done. It's like, you know, a minute, 90 seconds. Bam! You've got eggs, and they're done. Now, when I put them on the plate, I don't just dump them on the plate. There's some water in that pan, so I just kind of slide them out, and most of the water stays in the pan. You can use a napkin if you get some on the plate, no big deal. But there you go. Look, these tops, they're cooked. But those yolks are soft and they're huge, just like a sunny side up egg would be. Let me prove it to you. Let's take this some toast here. Now check this out. Look at that, folks. Tons of yolk there. It's dripping off the bread. Yeah, I'll have some more. And that's the way I like it. Check that out. Just still, my third bite is still soaking wet. I'll give you a better angle here. See if I can do this. Now let's see, hold on. Let me get the phone on the side here. A little camera. Yeah, that's better. Okay. Check this out. Just sopping wet. And that's the way I like them. Well, there you have it, folks. So if you like to dunk your toast in your eggs, that's the best way to make them right there. Baste them. That's right. So if you like this show, hey, please subscribe to the channel. Give me some likes, some comments. Please share it with your friends. You got to go on YouTube to subscribe. Can't do it through Facebook. So go ahead. If you don't have a YouTube account, just click on it. It'll ask you, hey, you got to sign up. Well, it takes a second. So go ahead and please subscribe to the channel if you like these videos, and then you'll be notified every time I put up a new one. And I'm trying to do them on a daily basis. All right, thanks for watching, guys. Enjoy those eggs. Dunk that toast.